Good morning, students. So yesterday we have seen the different types of angles, how to measure the given angles and how to draw the angles. So let us learn better the different types of lines. So in this different topic, so very first let us see intersecting lines. So intersecting lines means what beta? If two lines intersect each other at a single point are known as intersecting lines. Now see beta, this is line L and it is line N. Both intersect each other at this point O. So these two lines are known as intersecting. What is the meaning of intersect? Intersect means to meet or to cut each other. Okay. Now, our next is parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines that lies on a same plane but do not intersect each other are known as parallel lines. Or parallel lines. For example, see beta, it is line L and it is line M. So these two lines are parallel to each other. So why they not intersect each other? Because the distance between them. See, if you measure the distance from this and this, so the distance between them remains constant, and that's why they do not intersect each other. So it is line P and it is line Q. So they are also parallel lines. Okay, so how will you write? See, line L parallel to. Now see beta, this symbol shows parallel. Line L is parallel to line M. And here we will write line P parallel to line Q. Okay. Okay. So children, let's see some activity to show the parallel lines. Now very first give me some examples of parallel lines. So from your environment, can you give now see the windows of bars of the windows, steps of the staircase and the vertical edges of the staircase, or you can say the opposite sides of your floor or opposite walls of your room are the examples of parallel lines. So let's see beta one activity to form the parallel lines. So here I am taking a rectangular piece of paper, fold it in such a way that one edge falls exactly on the opposite edge. See, in this way, here I fold this page. Make, now see, so it is exactly half of the rectangular page. Now make another fold in the same way. Okay. Now you can make one more fold. Now unfold the paper. So have you seen better? Yes. So all the lines are, see the fold. And if I mark it by pencil, so you will get the parallel lines. For example, railway track, the route of the railway are parallel to each other. Okay. Now see whether the second one is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular means, what is the meaning of perpendicular? When two or more lines are perpendicular to each other, then there is the formation of 90 degree. So two lines are said to be perpendicular if they form an angle of 90 degree. Perpendicular lines. Two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect at an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so let's see. So it is L and it is M. So this line is, now see, they intersect each other. This line is perpendicular to line N. So here is the formation of 90 degree. This at 90 degree they perpendicular to each other. And this 90 degree is shown by a small square. So whenever you see a small square between the arms of the angle, that means what? There is a formation of 90 degree. Okay. It is P and it is Q. So line L, see beta, this symbol show perpendicular. Line L is perpendicular to line N. Here line P is perpendicular to line Q. So it is, okay. So L is perpendicular to line N. And this symbol shows perpendiculars. So whenever you see this symbol, that means what? The given two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So What are the examples of perpendicular lines? See beta, the two adjacent edges of your room, two adjacent sides of your roof, or tree on the ground, or a pole is upright stand on the ground are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so I am giving you some homework. See beta, give two example. Okay, so question number 1 is give two examples of parallel lines you can see in your environment. Okay, that means what? आपको अपने आजू बाजू देखकर parallel lines के examples लिखने. And the second one is give two examples of perpendicular lines you can see in your environment. Okay, so you have to give two examples of each parallel and the perpendicular lines. Okay. Now see beta the third question. Look at the picture given below. Decide whether the lines given in each picture are parallel, perpendicular to each other, and write the answer in the box. Means some pictures are given and you have to see whether they are parallel or perpendicular. Decide whether the lines are parallel or perpendicular. Okay. Now A is Okay. Now look at the blackboard. A is what beta? What type of lines they are? They are parallel. B, C, both lines are intersect and here is the formation of 90 degrees. That's why it is perpendicular lines. Now see, the length of both are not equal, but the distance between them is same. That's why they are also parallel. Now see B, it is also parallel to each other, but in the line E, see the lines of E, they are intersect, but they are intersect not on 90 degree, means there is not the formation of 90 degree angles. That's why they are not perpendicular lines. So they are not perpendicular and also they are not the parallel lines. Now see beta, you can take a ruler and see the opposite edges or the both the edges of the ruler, they are also parallel to each other. So using a pencil, draw a line along both sides of the ruler. Put the ruler aside, the two lines are parallel to each other. In this way, we can use several rectangular objects to draw the parallel lines. And also we can use, see here is, it is the duster. If you put it on your copy and you will draw the lines and see the lines are parallel. Now we have seen many objects standing straight on the ground. These objects from a right angle with their shadows. For example, the angle formed by a pole and its shadow on the ground is 90 degree. See, if the pole is stand upright on the ground, see in this way, and if you see its shadow, so the shadow and the pole both are perpendicular to each other. When formed by the pole and its shadow on the ground is 90 degree or right angle. 90 degree means beta right angle. Similarly, adjacent sides of wooden plank. Adjacent side wooden plank means see the your table top adjacent. Adjacent means जुड़ी हुई. So adjacent sides are the sides having only one vertex common. Means एक point पे अगर दो जुड़ी हुई है, तो that lines are known as adjacent line. So see the top of, for example, see this line and this line. Means this edge of the box and this edge, they are adjacent. Why? Because they are meet at a single vertex. So see beta, they are also perpendicular to each other. And see this edge and this edge, they are the opposite edges. They are parallel to each other. When two lines form an angle of 90 degree with each other, they are said to be perpendicular. Measure the angle between any two adjacent sides of your notebook. Since it is a right angle, the two sides are perpendicular to each other. Now, and also you can observe the lines of your, see beta, see this vertical margin and this horizontal margin are perpendicular to each other, and the other lines that are parallel to each other. Got it beta?